morning, everybody, or good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this at what time of the day, whatever. I am today back with another vlog. I will be doing some car maintenance stuff. I need to get an oil change in my car wash, so I thought I would bring you guys along and watch how Baddie keep the maintenance up on her car, okay? But I did, however, I just asked Siri, like, what's the weather today? Because it's pretty cool out right now. I needed to know what to throw on, where. And she said it's supposed to rain later, which every time I want to get my car washed, it want to rain. But I do have a garage, so I'm going to go ahead and get it washed anyway. It's been a while, and since I'm doing car things today, might as well go ahead and get my baby washed. So stay tuned. Yes, can I get a grande brown sugar shaken espresso? Can you do 2 brown sugar pumps and 2 toasted vanilla?
2 brown, 2 toasted vanilla.
Yes.
Anything else?
And then can I get the egg white and roasted pepper egg bites?
What else can I get for you today?
That's all.
It's gonna be 12.
Thank you. Okay, y'all, got my coffee. If y'all have not tried the toast, where's the thing? If y'all have not tried the brown sugar espresso with 2 shots or whatever of the toasted vanilla and split it in half and half, you need to try it, because bomb. And then I just got my egg white bites because I need a little snack, because I haven't ate anything this morning. I figured since I'm gonna be out and about doing stuff that I probably forget to eat, so I'm gonna go ahead and give me something for now or whatever. And yeah, I'm trying to get myself together. I can't even get myself together. I had to pull over here so I can mix my little coffee. But I see y'all at the oil change place. Okay, y'all, I made it to the place to get my oil change. I remembered I need to get my Christmas tree. Because the one I wanted at Target is now sold out, because I did wait around and let it sold out. But that's not the point. The point is, I'm here, so I'm gonna go in while they doing this oil change and stuff and get my Christmas tree. Okay, y'all, so y'all can see I'm back in the car. They was talking about a 2-hour wait. 2-hour wait? Who doing that? Not me. So, baby, we out. My time is money. I got things to do. But I'm about to see. I was at Walmart. I'm about to see if I can go to another Walmart and see what they time looking like. Because I always come here and I don't know if, like, mixing oils. I tried to call my daddy and ask what to do. Do I go to a... Because I don't know, mixing different people oil messed it up or something. So I need to know if I need to go to another Walmart or something. They just messed me up. Why would they do that? Why does everybody need an oil change today? Okay, so y'all, I forgot I was not vlogging. I was recording but not talking. So I did go to another Walmart who ended up saying they also had like a 3-hour wait. It was just terrible. So at that point, I was frustrated and I was ready to go home, but I still had things to do. So I was like, you know what? Let me work backwards. Let me go ahead and get my little car wash or whatever, because I needed to do that too. And I had called my daddy to see where else can I go, does he recommend, and he did give me a place, which I did get my oil change, which I'm gonna insert them clips later. But for now, I was like, you know what, I'm on this side of town, let me go ahead and get my car washed and do the other things I need to do, because I'm not about to be traveling around the world, and the other place is on my way back home. So that's what I ended up doing, just getting my car washed first or whatever. So yeah. It isn't just me, or going through a car wash is just so therapeutic, just like a kid, just a little kid. I love going through the car wash, y'all. And then the aftermath for your car just so clean. But some of they little things be needing to be they need to upgrade it because it don't be cleaning it right. But this one did me right. This one did me right. Y'all gonna see it was shined all up later. You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, that 3-4 times again I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, that 3-4 times again I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming. That 3-4 times again I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your. Okay, I was all done. Clean my baby up real nice. Look at just shining, 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 yeah. Wait. Shining, shining, shining. Yeah, look at her. Look at Red Ruby, the sleeves. on the sleeves and the things. Red Ruby, the sleeves and on these Chinese. My girl was ready to go now. So we was out. They did really good too on my rims and my tires. They was shined real nice. Real nice. It's been a minute. We had to pop out on them. So on to our next stop. Y'all want a car tour? I'm thinking about doing a car tour. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Yes, sir. We filled that thing up for $34. I don't care how far I gotta travel. That's the cheapest gas in town. I'm going to get it. Brr. And I finally made it to get my oil change, y'all. Ooh, child, what a day. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I did not find a tree. Everybody sold out of the one I want anyway, and I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of money on a tree because I just want a tree to get in the spirit more so. It's not for anything. I don't have no kids or nothing, but I probably have to order one online. I am looking online to see what's on there. I probably have to have it delivered. But that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to get my car. It was a day just to get an oil change, all of this chaos. But I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.